Good morning, students of class 7th. Before this, we have already discussed about lithosphere. Just today, our topic is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere refers to all the water bodies on the Earth's surface, including oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, etc. There are three states of water: solid, liquid, and gas. Earth is covered with 70% of water, means 70% of water. The the whole earth surface is covered by 71% of water. Out of this 71%, 97% is found in the oceans, seas, rivers, and etc., which is saline water, which is known as saline water. And the rest 3% found in rivers, streams, lakes, and ice caps are glaciers. Water is in a continuous motion on the earth, and its continuous motion is known as hydrological cycle. So, in this way, water keeps on moving from one sphere to another. Hydrosphere is very important for all sorts of life. Without water, not any organism can be survive in the atmosphere. It provides a habitat to the marine life and food in the form of fish, shrimps, crabs, etc. International trade is carried on in the rivers and oceans also. Thereafter, atmosphere. The Earth is a unique planet. Its capacity to support life makes it different from all other planets. The Earth is surrounded by an envelope of air which is called atmosphere. The Earth is surrounded by the air, by a cover up, by an envelope of air, that is known as atmosphere. The atmosphere extends about 1,000 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. From the Earth's surface, 1,000 kilometer in the height of 1,000 kilometer atmosphere is found. A layer of air which surrounds the earth is a mixture of gases which change with altitude. Whatever the gases found in the atmosphere, that changes, that has been changed, mm, and its changing depend on altitude from the earth's surface. The gravity of the earth hold the atmosphere around it. The atmosphere also has dust and water vapor. Changes in the atmosphere affect the weather and climate. Whatever the changes has been occurred in the atmosphere, that affect the weather and climate. The atmosphere also works as a shield of the earth to protect it from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. Thereafter, biosphere. The three spheres like lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere meets to form a narrow zone of interaction, the biosphere, that is known as biosphere, which support life. Biosphere supports life. Therefore, it includes the biotic and abiotic environment. Biosphere, that is the unique component of the earth. Outside the limit of the biosphere, no life is possible. Biosphere is a beautiful part of the earth which consists of a great variety of flora and fauna. The types of each organism in the biosphere has certain limiting condition of its growth and survival. All organisms living in a particular habitat depend on one another. All organisms in the biosphere interact with physical environment and with one another. Thank you, beta. The rest will be done on the next turn. Next turn I will finish this chapter. Okay, thank you.